This subject is for third year diploma. Subject is industrial electronics. So this is the course title. You can see industrial electronics. You will be having around 60 hours of lectures. So in this, we are mainly going to learn about the power electronic devices. So before going to start this subject, here you should be know the course. Before that, the prerequisites are the electronic devices and as well as some semiconductor devices. You should know about that operations. So after completion of this subject, you are going to get the knowledge of power electronic devices, various characteristics and applications like UPS, SMPS. And the another outcome is you are going to learn about the application of devices like choppers, which is DC to DC conversions, rectifiers AC to DC, and inverters DC to AC. The another outcome is transducers and ultrasonics. So you're going to about know in detail. After that, the fourth outcome from this industrial electronics is you are going to learn about the welding process. The fifth outcome is you are going to learn about the operations like logical operations, that is about PLC by using ladder diagrams and also some SCADA techniques. In the last point is you are going to learn the application of the control systems. That means total 6 units are prescribed here. That means from each unit you are going to get one outcome. So you can see that this is the syllabus which is framed for your industrial electronics. The first unit you are going to learn about power electronic devices, that is thyristor family. In that we are going to learn about the circuit symbols like SCR, SUS, SBS, SCS, LASCR, and we will learning about all these things. Okay, and also we will see some triggering techniques. That means we need to on the SCR. So likewise we are having gate triggering, UJT triggering, etc. We will seeing about the input and output waveforms in that one, and also we will see some applications of these power electronic devices like track and drag based applications. In this unit you are going to learn more about the UPS, that is uninterrupted power supply, and also SMPS. And we will also discuss about the servo stabilizer. So these are all about from first unit. Now coming to the second unit, you will be having 6 hours of 8 hours of period. So in that you are going to learn about the what is the need of chopper. Already I told you that chopper is a DC to DC conversion. We will going to discuss about the choppers, and then we will come to the rectifiers, where rectifiers will convert from AC to DC. And after that we will going to learn about inverters. Total 3 different topics are there, that is DC to AC, that is series inverter and parallel inverter we will going to discuss. Now coming to the third unit, you will going to learn about 2 things. One is about transducers and another one is about ultrasonics. So in this transducers means conversion of the signal from one signal to another signal. That means suppose if you see this about LVDT, suppose if you see the LVDT, that means here we are going to learn about that if the displacement will be converting into electrical signal. So likewise you are having so many applications. We will be discussing about strain gauge, RTD, etc. And also we will going to discuss about ultrasonics waves. And coming to fourth unit, in the fourth unit we are going to discuss about industrial heating and welding, some heating devices, how the electrodes are heated up, and also we're going to discuss about the welding techniques in that one. The coming to fifth unit, we are going to learn about PLC programming. So in this PLC programming, like ladder techniques we are going to see, and also we will see the application of the logics. That means AND gate, OR gate, XOR, those logics we are going to apply in that one. Okay, and also we will be discussing about some SCADA system. And the last unit, that is control engineering, that means control system. In this control system we are going to see about the transfer function, and also we will be seeing about the open loop and closed loop closed loop system. Okay, we will be seeing some different examples like a traffic signal. Okay, traffic signal is an there, no, like open loop or closed loop. We will discuss about that one. And also we will discuss some signal flow graphs, that is transfer function, and also some reduction techniques. That means we are going to see that reduction of the block diagrams, how to reduce that block diagrams we will be discussing about in detail. So these are the things. Again, it is split into topic by topic here from unit 1. That is 3 things we are going to see, that is power electronics, UPS and SMPS. In the second unit, choppers, rectifiers and inverters. The third unit about transducers and ultrasonics. In the fourth unit about heating and welding. And the fifth unit about PLC and SCADA. And the last one is about control systems. So you can follow these reference books. For power electronics, you can follow PC Sen, or also you can follow Bimbra or Muhammad Rashid. So many books are there, because here it is not one prescribed textbook, because it is consisting of 6 different topics. So all different topics together it is framed. That's why it is named as industrial electronics. That means based upon the application, we are having different things were merged here. Okay, that is why it is named as industrial electronics here. So likewise, we are going to see about control systems, about the application of electronic devices, etc. So you can follow some e-learning references. So you can go with electricalforyou.com, NPTEL, or any other sites, whichever you can follow. So you have to do some student activities. So these are the syllabus framed for your industrial electronics. Now you can see that you will be having mid exams and semester exams. So total 6 units are there. No, in that 6 units, unit 1 and unit 2 comes for mid 1, and the third and fourth comes for mid 2. We're coming to the end of exam, you'll be having around that means all the 6 units will be having for your semester end exams. So this is the procedure, and you can see that sample paper which is given by the SBTET board, and this is the syllabus copy which I have taken for your guidance. Okay, you can see this here. You will be having around 20 marks which is given by the board itself. So in that you will be having about 1 mark questions, and also you will be having about, that means you have to answer all the questions, and again you need to answer 2 questions, that means each consisting of 3 marks. That means any 2 you have to attempt, and in the part C also you have to attempt any 2, which is consisting of 5 marks for each. Total 8 questions will be asking. 1 mark is compulsory, and 2 marks and 3 marks and 5 marks questions are, you have to write any 2 from it. Okay, so this is the procedure, and you can see this model paper 2. You are having model paper 1 and model paper 2. Model paper 1 is about first 2 units. Model paper 2 is about the second 2 units, and you can go. So, and this is the final exam. This final exam will be asking about all the units. Okay, that means from first to sixth you have to follow every unit. So this is the block diagram. You have to reduce this block diagram like this. They will be asking in the control system. So I think it is clear. Thank you.